welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover, and today's video is part of my 31 days of Halloween, and I'm going over these 3 easy eyeliner looks so you get the devil, the batwing, and the clown. I am super excited to do this. I did a similar video last year. I can't remember off the top of my head if it was on YouTube or on TikTok, but it was a video I did. I really like the idea of just really simple Halloween makeup that's just really easy and quick to do. As you can see, this one is the devil. It's super easy, super quick. You only need a few items. And all of the looks today will not be using false lashes. I will just be using mascaras because they are easy and simple, and I want this as simplified as possible. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm putting out a video every day this month for 31 days of Halloween. And if you like this content, make sure you give this video a like, and let's just get started with these tutorials. All you need for this first look is a black liquid liner, a black pencil liner, and water activated liner. You start simple with making a wing. This does not have to be too thick, but you don't want it super thin. Wing liner is something that takes practice, but once you get it down, it's pretty easy. But here's the hard part. Starting near your inner corner, you want to draw a curved line to the point of your wing. Don't worry if it's a little wonky, you can fix it as you go. You want to slowly make this thicker and then repeat on the other side. For the devil details, you want a red water activated liner, or any red liner will do. Start with the tail, and you want to curve this line around your liner. So if you start on the lash line, as you loop, you will alternate on top and behind to give it the effect of weaving around. Make the lines as thick as you like, and then on the end of the tail, you do the point by making a small triangle and then filling it in. To do the little devil horns, it's basically just 2 crescents that are mirrored and then filled in. Once that is done, you just finesse the lines until you're happy, just making sure that everything looks smooth and complete. You're going to tight line with your black pencil liner and do a quick coat of mascara. And I went with a dark red lipstick to finish this look since I thought it would pair well. And here is the finished look. Very simple, very mindful, very demure, so cute, I love it. For the clown liner, you'll need again a black liquid liner and a black eye pencil, more water activated liners, and a mascara. Start by taking the black eye pencil and heavily adding this to your waterline and also tightline with it. Pretend like you're going to a My Chemical Romance concert. We're going for the emo vibes here. You want to start building the triangle portion on your lower lash line by going thicker in the middle. Taking a small detail brush, use this to help smudge out the liner. This is a good look to be messy with, so don't worry about it being absolutely perfect. Next, take your liquid liner and you want to start by making a simple wing. You can, of course, do this without a wing, but all of these looks are going to include a wing. You can make this as big as you like or as small. Obviously, the bigger you go, the more dramatic it's going to be. And then you want to start by making the triangle points on your lower lash line. Start small and work your way towards a bigger triangle. Again, you can make this as dramatic as you'd like. For the top triangles, I started with making a line right down the center below my brows. I did this just to make sure that they were even. And then from there, I make a triangle and fill it in. Now taking the water activated liner, I did random dots of all of the colors. I went with a purple theme because I don't think I've done a purple clown look before. And honestly, if you have like a nail dotting tool, this would be even easier to do. Your next step is mascara and mascara smudges. I like my clown looks to be on the more messy side than on the perfect side. For lips, I went in with a liquid lipstick from Likely Makeup, and I just flicked out the edges to give it more of a clown look. But this is the finished clown look. I felt very cute in it, and my husband said that this was his favorite. I just really enjoy clown looks. Now for the batwing liner, which is my nemesis, so to speak. And you're basically using all the same products as before, but instead of water activated liners, you're going to use glitters. You want to start by making an inner corner triangle point and then do a small wing. Once you get that wing down, you're going to draw a straight line at the tip of the wing and then slowly start to curve that. I did mess up on one side, and you'll see that I quickly took a makeup wipe and then some concealer and just fixed that. And the second attempt went much better. To do the actual bat wings, I did just make kind of W shapes before filling it all in with liner. And once that's done, I went back in and fixed any of the shaky lines that I had because I did have a lot. It's not perfect, it's not horrible. I go in with black liner in the waterline and tight line, and then I use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner just to outline the shape I did. I don't think it translated as well on camera, but it did look pretty good in person. And once again, going in with mascara. And for lips, I went in with a neutral lip liner and topped it with the NYX and Beetlejuice Sandworm Swirl Lip Gloss. And here is the best version of a Batwing liner that I have ever managed to do. It wasn't so easy, but I am pretty proud of myself, not gonna lie. Alright, and here is all 3 looks finally done. Let me know what you think, which one was your favorite. I gotta say, the Devil is always gonna be my favorite. I love wearing that when I go see The Devil Wears Prada, which I am gonna go see The Devil Wears Prada again on October 27th at the House of Blues in Chicago. I'm so excited. I freaking love The Devil Wears Prada. They are my favorite band. I have my husband to thank for getting me into them. He introduced them to me back when we were in high school together, and we've been fans ever since. We've gone to nearly every single show that they've done in Chicago the last several years, and we are just big fans. Big fans. Like, I even have lyrics from one of their songs tattooed on me. It's on my side. But yes, I am happy with the clown. I am happy with the bat wings. Typically bat wings, they just confuse the hell out of me, and I don't know why. It's like not even that hard, and it's so confusing. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would be greatly appreciative of that. I am putting out a video every day this month, as I've stated multiple times, and I am super excited for 31 days of Halloween. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. I can't wait to share the rest of the content I have planned for you. So all of my makeup details will be listed down below. If I have any discount codes with any of the brands, those will be listed, along with listing if it's an affiliate code or an affiliate link or whatever. So much information in the description. And if you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you like book content, I am Ashley with 2 H's that reads on TikTok and Instagram. But once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're seeing this, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for a brand new spooky season video. Bye!